Hello, I am finally doing the whole of Carry My Soul on the Wind. Carry my soul on the wind, carry my soul on the wind, over the mountains, oceans and tide, carry my soul on the wind. Carry my soul on the wind. Whispers of sorrow fill the air, tears flow from history's despair. A heart opened wide, grief pours from inside, releasing dark memories there, releasing dark memories. Carry my soul on the wind, carry my soul on the wind, over the rivers, forests and time, carry my soul on the wind, carry my soul on the wind. The laurel again will be green, tortured souls will find peace, an old heart heavy with ghosts of the past, like a caged bird let loose, will fly free, like a caged bird let loose, will fly free. My soul on the wind, carry my soul on the wind, over the deserts, valleys and tide, carry my soul on the wind, carry my soul on the wind. The spirit of mankind conquers all, one eternal soul, peace and love and hope in the heart, freedom from the pain of the past, a journey through time, right to the last. We're all one soul carried on the wind.